Are you ready to unlock the secrets of online money making? Welcome, hustlers, to a world of endless possibilities. Today, we'll take you on a thrilling journey, exploring the top 7 online side hustles that you can start without spending a dime from your pocket. Yes, you heard it right, zero initial investment. Just imagine turning your dreams into reality, all from the comfort of your own home. Our goal is to create detailed videos that thoroughly review and explain the ins and outs of each business model, ensuring that you have all the information you need to get started successfully. I would like to emphasize that the content presented in this video is based on our personal experiences and perspectives. So buckle up and get ready to journey into the world of online hustling and money making. Subscribe and stay tuned to learn about these incredible opportunities that can help you earn money right from your home. First on our list is freelancing. Now, what's freelancing, you may ask? Well, it's a vibrant industry where you're the captain of your ship, offering your unique skills and talents to clients from every corner of the world. Think about the liberty of working on your terms, picking projects that spark your interest, and setting your own rates. Sounds exciting, right? There are numerous platforms where you can find freelance gigs. Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are just a few of the key players. These platforms are like bustling digital marketplaces teeming with opportunities for everyone. Whether you're a wizard with words, a design virtuoso, or a coding whiz, there's a place for you in the freelancing world. If you believe that freelancing is only meant for individuals with highly specialized skills, you couldn't be more wrong. In fact, the key to becoming a successful freelancer lies in identifying unmet needs and providing appropriate and affordable solutions. That's why you'll find numerous freelancers who are making a significant income by offering their expertise in even the simplest of tasks on various platforms. It's not about the complexity of the skill, but rather the ability to address a problem and meet the demands of clients in a way that is both effective and budget-friendly. Its beauty is about expressing your creativity, honing your skills, and building connections with clients globally. So, if you're ready to take the leap and become your own boss, freelancing might just be your ticket. Remember, the possibilities in freelancing are endless. Next, we have online surveys and microtasks. A world where your opinions and quick problem-solving skills can earn you money. Imagine getting paid just for sharing your thoughts or doing small tasks online. This is where platforms like Swagbucks, Survey, and Inbox Dollars come into play. They reward you for your valuable input and time. Here's how it works. These sites connect you with brands and businesses seeking consumer insights or needing help with quick tasks. You might be asked to take a survey about a new product, or maybe you'll be tasked with categorizing images. Even these small tasks, when added up, can bring in a nice chunk of change. And the best part? You can do them whenever you want, wherever you want. Whether you're watching TV, waiting in line, or just killing time, you can earn some extra cash. It's an easy and fun way to make that extra cash during your free time. But even if it offers a convenient and enjoyable method to earn some additional cash during your free time. However, transitioning to a full-time endeavor can pose challenges since there might be instances when suitable surveys are not readily available, aligning with your profile and interests. Now, let's dive into affiliate marketing. This is a potent concept where you can convert your passion into profit. You might be wondering how exactly. Well, it's all about promoting products or services you genuinely love and believe in. The beauty of it is that you don't have to stress about inventory, shipping, or dealing with customer service. There are platforms designed specifically for affiliate marketing, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. They provide you with unique referral links for the products or services you choose to promote. And here's where the magic happens. Each time someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. Imagine making money while helping others discover products they'll love. It's all about building trust with your audience and offering them valuable recommendations. And remember, the more sales made through your link, the more money you make. It's a win-win situation for both you and the companies you're affiliated with. The difficulty of affiliate marketing is you need to have a wide network which you use to sell them the product or service to be successful. Have a creative streak? Content creation might be your calling. Picture this. You're building your own online empire, be it through a captivating YouTube channel, an engaging podcast, or an informative blog. Sounds exciting, right? But it's not just about the thrill of creating. It's also about the potential to generate income from your creativity. Content creation is like a vast open canvas. You have the freedom to explore, experiment, and express yourself in ways that resonate with your audience. You could create a YouTube channel about travel, a podcast about mental health, or a blog about sustainable living. The possibilities are as diverse as your imagination. Now, you might wonder, how can this creativity translate into earnings? Well, there are several ways to monetize your content. First off, you have ads. Once your channel, podcast, or blog gains traction, you can run ads that generate revenue based on views or clicks. Secondly, sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers and creators to promote their products or services. If your content aligns with a brand's values and target audience, you could land some lucrative sponsorship deals. Another great monetization method is viewer or reader donations. Platforms like Patreon allow your most loyal followers to support you financially, enabling you to create more of the content they love. This strategy not only monetizes your work but also strengthens your bond with your audience. To get started with content creation, platforms like YouTube's Partner Program, podcast monetization services, and blog ad networks are your best allies. They provide the tools and resources you need to create, publish, promote, and monetize your content. But remember, the key to successful content creation is not just about making money. It's about finding your niche, creating valuable content, and engaging with your audience. The money will follow when you build a strong, loyal community around your content. So get out there, let your creativity shine, and start building your online empire. Remember, find your niche, create valuable content, and engage with your audience. Are you a master in a particular subject or skill? Online tutoring could be for you. This digital hustle opens doors to sharing your expertise with eager learners worldwide. From mastering a foreign language to deciphering complex coding languages, your knowledge is a valuable commodity. Imagine creating a course on platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, or Udemy. These platforms allow you to design your course, set your own price, and reach students across the globe. You can create engaging video lessons, provide helpful worksheets, or offer personalized feedback to your students. All this right from the comfort of your own home. The beauty of online tutoring is that it's not restricted to academic subjects. If you're a whiz at guitar, a yoga enthusiast, or a master chef, there's someone out there willing to pay for your knowledge. So why wait? There's a demand for your skills. Share your knowledge and earn. If organization is your strong suit, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistance is an exciting field that's rapidly growing in the digital age. It's all about providing support to businesses or individuals remotely. As a virtual assistant, you become the backbone of your client's operations, helping them stay organized and productive. Think of it as being an administrative, technical, or creative assistant, but from the comfort of your own home. You could be managing calendars, answering emails, handling social media, or even dabbling in graphic design. The tasks you can undertake as a virtual assistant are as varied as they are intriguing. The role of a virtual assistant is truly diverse, catering to a wide array of skills and talents. Are you a whiz at scheduling, or perhaps you have a knack for curating engaging social media content? Maybe you're a tech-savvy problem solver, always ready with a solution. If you answered yes to any of these, the world of virtual assistants might just be your next big break. Now you might be wondering where to find such opportunities. Well, platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, and virtual assistant jobs are excellent starting points. These platforms connect you with clients who are in dire need of your organizational prowess. They provide a secure environment to negotiate, collaborate, and receive payment for your services. One of the most appealing aspects of virtual assistants is the flexibility it offers. You have the power to choose who you work with and the kind of tasks you take on. You're in control of your work hours, and best of all, you get to negotiate your rates. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or make this your full-time gig, virtual assistants can provide a steady income stream. Remember, as a virtual assistant, you're not just providing a service, you're helping someone else's business thrive, and in doing so, you're building a successful business of your own. The beauty of this side hustle is that you can choose your clients and negotiate your rates. So there you have it, 7 potential online side hustles. We've explored the dynamic world of freelancing, where you can offer your unique skills and work on your own terms. We've delved into the simple yet rewarding opportunities of online surveys and microtasks. We've uncovered the power of affiliate marketing, where you can earn by promoting the products you love. We've also navigated the creative realm of content creation, building your own online empire through engaging videos, podcasts, or blogs. We've looked into sharing your expertise through online tutoring or teaching, helping others while earning a decent income. We've highlighted the diverse world of virtual assistants, providing administrative, technical, or creative support from the comfort of your home. Each of these hustles offers a unique opportunity to earn money, tap into your skills, and even discover new ones. Remember, the key to success in any side hustle is passion, consistency, and dedication. Start today and unlock your potential. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have already engaged in one of the listed activity, let us know what you achieved. Stay tuned for more valuable content and comment out the one which you want to hear and learn about. I'll catch you in the next video.